Hi, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health, wellness, and pharmaceutical sciences. If you are not subscribed, subscribe, like, and share Pharmaceutical Concept. Which criteria should be followed for the evaluation of functional scoring of tablet for USDA dossier filing? Tablet possesses functional score, then sponsor has to fulfill the following requirement and submit tablet scoring evaluation report with pharmaceutical product development. Following tests should be performed both by manual hand splitting and by mechanical splitter. Tablet score is debossed line that runs across the planar surface of the tablet, while tablet splitting is the practice of breaking or cutting a higher strength tablet into smaller portions to lower the doses. Score allows the tablet for easier splitting. Following has to be performed for filing the product in USA, that is for ANDA and NDA dossier, that is apparent. Uniformity of dosage form: if API content is more than 25% or 25 mg, then weight variation, and if API content is less than or equal to 25% or 25 mg, then content uniformity. Percentage loss of mass upon splitting should not be more than 3% weight by weight, that is 15 tablets has to be taken. Percentage loss in friability test should be not more than 1%. Dissolution profile of split tablets, that is 12 units at both lower hardness and higher hardness, which should be compared with dissolution profile of whole tablet by means of F2. Apart from this, split tablet should be stable at least for 3 months at 25° and 60% RH in a container without desiccant, and above test should be also performed at the end of the 3rd month stability at 2560. Apart from the above data, supported documents of regular CMC, chemistry manufacturing control, tablet development document has to be submitted for ANDA, that is abbreviated new drug application, NDA, investigation new drug IND. Thanks for watching Pharmaceutical Concept. Subscribe, like, and share. Most of the viewers are not subscribing our channel. Kindly subscribe and motivate us.